ye ba benya condom machines e be supply condoms dia ma Ghana fo nyina o Ghana ha area bi awo nyabotrehwe video emanisi according to the Ghana AIDS Commission wọ́n say HIV AIDS no do na edo so Ghana enti no metima ya de aboa mabunu youth de say wọ́n de machines be ba bonten na machines no ye dey see vantage point and I say ye dey see baby a e betima supply condoms dia ma Ghana fo na matumi ayusu ye be din komo areas be na mo be see areas be the infancy wodi emu na wodi enim twan yen na eni nkomo kama wi a comment section na afi eche wadwem upesu tukwan kwam na ne koye adwuma se bia Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait but mo defa ho bo na adofo ke Evans Travel and Tour o mo number no mo link na me ato ase no masa tag mo video we adwuma bakade ewo eho no mo ayedo ekọ yedo kwara koye adwuma straightforward na edo kwara koye adwuma come now yenhwe areas and machines we ekọ wọ́n say ebeko public institution enti no public institution e bia police station ebeko won mo e beko market lorry station e beko mosque o yebisa say machine we kwa koye de enti mo meya no mosque ese vending condom vending machine eko no eko peden mosque won mo yo yate enti ebeko mosque na ebi so akokọ public spaces e beko ko areas bebre na mo hwehwe vantage point anate and as a point I bet you be BSC. Normally be seen to me aboa na HIV AIDS no boys na shall say you condom Ghana. The condom no who you sue what you prevent ho from the HIV. What be just say there machines we no send a mobile be no no enya de betim da de bom ase ne sa keke se bia koyi musika da bi o mobile be ne se de e be den wo da de bom kura na wontumi ewia hwe emfamfiri mu. It is a condom vending machine we no one be deploying nationwide by the end of 2026. Now, this is the time to me, I think the Ghana AIDS Commission should target barbering shops. Normal check it by be a yitri, say blade ben or mu yusu, machines no modi yitri no, or crime ben or mu among the same machine, esa manikum, gemsa, abba machine anunina. Say no more yomoniama because me who say a percentage of HIV no, HIV AIDS no. Yenyabi free barbering shop percentage of HIV AIDS in Ghana yenyabi free sa wo mo mbumo re no yenyabi free omhodom and some percentage board mo yenyabi free miamia bebre betumi aso ano for now. So Ghana AIDS Commission we never said this areas no mo ba hwe wo mo mbumo re no then na mo do kwame na mo do befa so say o munyai anase memo medication or how o metime na mo prevent so mo spread yade no. And then what you cry no, one more you barbering shop, Robit me blade back, what be